Hello friends, welcome to another food recipe. This is finger licking okra soup. If you want to know how I made this, it's different from the one I made before, then ensure to watch this video to the end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content like this. So here is the beef already washed. I'm going to cook it with these onions and knorr cubes. You can use any seasoning of choice and you can also use any meat of choice. You can also add fish as well. So just add as much protein as you desire. Cook this for 20 minutes. So depending on the quantity of soup you are making, you may need to add more oil. You may need to also add more seasoning cubes after adding the vegetables. Just taste and check if you need to add anything according to your taste. So when you are done with that, the soup is ready. Just allow it to simmer for a few seconds. And then you can pair this wonderful soup with anything. You can pair it with swallow or even rice. Okay? Swallow can be a semo, pounded yam, or anything of choice. Don't forget to subscribe for more content.